Students, we have finished the poem, that is The Moon Wind, page number 35. Now we are going to the grammar part of the chapter. Okay. In this chapter, now we are going to learn about the figure of speech that is called smiley. What do you mean by figure of speech? As you know, English is a very beautiful language. In order to say in a very decorative way, we use certain kind of phrases. Such kind of phrases are called simile. There are different kind of figure of speech. Okay, one of the figure of speech is simile. If you want to compare two unlike things like if you want to say she dances like a peacock. See, here we are comparing the girl that she is dancing like a peacock. So in order to compare for the two unlike things, that she dances like a peacock. What does it means? Like she is dancing like a peacock. In order to, this is an example, this is not narrated, this is not said here. So in order to compare two unlike things, we are using like or as. Okay, so here I'll give an example. Okay, she dances like a peacock, like she is dancing like a peacock. In order to say that she is like a peacock, here we are using a very direct comparison. That comparisons are called smiley. Smileys are compared by using the word like or as. He is tall as a giraffe. He is tall. We want to say that he is tall like a giraffe. So we are saying he is tall as a giraffe. In a sentence, if we are getting like, as, that kind of sentence, that kind of phrases are called figure of speech. Last night I slept like a log. Like or as, such kind of if you are using these comparisons are called similes. Here 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 there is an example. The water was as clear as anything. He fought like anything. See, we can say that the water was clear. So in order to write in a very decorative way, as we know, the English is a very decorative, very beautiful speech. In order to say in a very decorative way, we are using certain other phrase to compare. Okay, the water was clear, was clear was as clear as anything. He fought like anything. He fought like a warrior. So here we are comparing two he runs as like a cheetah. So here we are comparing the two unlike things to show that that they are doing like as it is. Okay, so that kind of phrases are called similes. Okay. Okay, here are some similes that you are familiar with. Can you complete them? Okay, here these are the common similes we will get. So you can copy down this one: as white as snow, as clear as day, as sound as bell, as fresh as daisy, as old as the hills, as bright as sun, as soft as baby's bottom, as sharp as knife, a dark as night, as dark as night, as poor as. Okay, this should be so as poor as church, as straight as arrow. Okay, you can copy down. Similes may also be introduced with like. So as I told you, there are two way to compare simile, that is as and like. Okay. Okay. His voice was like honey. Her hair was like dark waterfall. Okay. So I hope you understood the similes. Now we will go into the match the following of the meaning they have given. You have to correctly match the sentence. Okay, accelerate means speed up. Gravity means the force that pulls all the objects center of the earth. Apogee means the peak altitude a rocket reaches when it is farthest from the earth? Ignitor means a propellant in a model, an electric device that ignites composition of the propellant in a model rocket engine. Decelerate means slow down. Launch means the lift of model rocket following the ignition of the engine. Propellant means mixture of fuel oxidizer which is the source of motive. Drag means the force that resists forward motion or of an object as it moves through the air. Thrust means the force that makes the rocket accelerate upward as the propellant is burning. So you can just mark it down here in the textbook itself. No need to copy down in the notebook. Okay, here we are getting some sentences. These sentences we have to underline the pronoun and then rewrite the sentence correcting the mistakes. Okay, first we were, as I told you, you might know what you mean by noun, what you mean by pronoun. Noun is the name of a person, thing, animal, etc. Pronoun means instead of noun we will use like Ramu is my good friend. Again we are saying the sentence like Ramu is my best companion. Ramu lives in Delhi. So instead of Ramu saying in a sentence, we can use he or she. Okay, when we are saying about a girl, we'll use she. So pronouns instead of nouns, we use pronouns like he, she, and all that are called pronouns that you have studied in your lower classes. The teacher and me cleared the classroom. Here me is the pronoun. Him and his dog played in the park. Him. The fight was between them and we. We is the pronoun. After they came, a number of men on horseback. They is the pronoun. Me and the other boys were playing cricket. Me is the pronoun. She and her friend have to be careful as us. Us is the pronoun. It was me who came first. Me is the pronoun. All of us children were eager to play outside. Us is the pronoun. The headmaster gave Bapu and I as scolding. I is the pronoun. Let he and I do the homework tomorrow. He is the pronoun. Okay. So, okay. I'll give the correct answer in the next video.